Hello, everyone. And so today we are going to look at some tips and tricks for dream recall. So once again, I am going to share my screen, I think, and pull up a little presentation on remembering dreams, dream recall, remembering dreams, and yes, let's look at this. I think I pressed play. There we go. Tips for remembering dreams. So probably one of the most simple things to do is set an intention to work with your dreams. This signals you are taking your dreams seriously. So this is actually two tips that I put into one here. Setting intention is powerful. Any of us who meditate or dream incubate, there'll be a presentation on that a little later in the course, but setting an intention is powerful. And even for those of your clients who say, I don't remember my dreams ever, this is how you would go about working with that. If they're interested in working with their dreams, obviously. This is how you would start with them, is you would let them know, start by setting an intention. What tends to happen is once we start working with our dreams, they engage and they play with us. They play back. Dreams, our unconscious mind is very playful. So set an intention to work with your dreams. Decide how you will record your dreams. So some people like to write them down. Some people like to record them. Some people have partners that they're trying not to disturb, or they have, I don't know, other reasons for not necessarily wanting to write them down or video or tape them. So deciding how you'll record your dreams or working with your clients to figure that out. Some of them will want to draw their dreams. And I've been reading more about that lately. There's an idea that because our dreams are so visual, that especially for artists, for those focused on expressive arts, also that comes to my mind, they may want to do that. They may want to draw their dreams, and that's just fine. It may actually encourage them to, or support them more in being more consistent about recording their dreams if they can, draw them versus write them down. Focus your attention on your intention to remember and understand your dreams before sleep. Yeah, so there'll be something about this later that sounds a little repetitive with this, but lying in bed and thinking about the intention to remember and understand your dreams before sleep, I see there's a typo there, is a good thing to do. If you get up in the night and you do remember something, give it a silly name. This is a great tip. It's very often we wake up at the end of a 90-minute cycle where we come out of a vivid dream. We need to go get a drink of water, whatever. And we remember a dream in the middle of the night, and then we wake in the morning and we're like, oh, I know I had a dream, but I don't remember it. So what I've helped people with is give it a ridiculous name. You'll remember the ridiculous name in the morning, and then the rest of the dream tends to come back. Try not to move when you first wake. There's an idea that when people move, the movement is almost like it chases the dream away. So try not to move too much when you first wake and just recall the dreams. If you're not remembering anything, another tip is to move gently into the position in which you usually sleep. We all have that comfy position that we sleep in. So that's a way for you, and obviously when you start helping your clients with their dreams, these are good tips to give them. And then if you still remember nothing, imagine the faces of those to whom you're closest and see if that jogs a memory. And it can be people, places, and things as well. It's not just about faces. As you fall asleep, again, this is the one that I said would sound repetitive. Tell yourself you'll remember your dreams. Check your diet for B vitamins, as they're believed to help with dream recall. And if I'm not mistaken, it's specifically B6. Join a dream group. Often the idea of social involvement can support dream recall. Again, we're signaling to our unconscious, hey, I'm ready to play. And so out come the dreams. Meditation will also improve dream recall for the simple fact that as I'm sitting to meditate once or twice a day, I'm becoming the observer of my thoughts. It's not a great leap to focus on my thoughts to focusing on my dreams. It's a great waking reality training for remembering dreams. And then I thought this was interesting. I hadn't thought about this one and I hadn't seen it. I actually came across this as I was preparing for this presentation. Backward recall. So as you go to sleep, remember events of the day in reverse order. And then when you wake up, remember your dreams in reverse order. Actually, Tibetan dream yoga does a very similar thing. There's a meditation practice in Tibetan dream yoga in which you focus on emotions of the day and where you were angry and how your energy was challenged. And you go back looking at the events of the day. And when I went through that, as I went through a Tibetan dream yoga course not too long ago, I didn't make the connection between that and this. So they teach it in Tibetan dream yoga. And so it's a good practice. Remember events of the day. And then when you wake up, remember your dreams in reverse order. So try it and see. Visualization can help. Imagine yourself writing about your dreams on and off during your waking day and see yourself doing this with pleasure. So it's really the emotional content and the excitement around writing about your dreams that is the catalyst in that regard. More dream recall hacks. What do you think of that language? Recall hacks. Okay, I think that's it for this presentation. Once again, if there's anything you would have liked to hear about and didn't, jot it down in the questionnaire that follows. And if you have any questions at all, that would be great. And if not, then I will see you in the next video, if I can figure out how to turn this off.